That is promising. That's a root. And that's roots. So yeah, I've got rooted Jabuticaba cuttings here. 2 successfully rooted Jabuticaba cuttings. Do you want to know how to do it? This is the video for you. Well, a year has passed and I feel that they should have started to root, but I don't see any signs. What I do see, however, is that they are still green. A lot of leaves have fallen off. They're also still green, and I knew this already. I already knew Jabuticaba leaves, they don't dry out that quickly. But let's see, I now want to have roots on these. Then I'll plant them up individually and grow them on. It's August, late August. Temperature is nice, but look at this. Lots and lots of green, also leaves still attached. No roots here at the bottom. Let's get them out of the pot. All these loose leaves. And then there's only 2 cuttings actually that still have leaves, and the rest seems to be bare. That is promising. That's a root. And that's roots. So yeah, I've got rooted Jabuticaba cuttings here. Gently taking this apart. Well, that was not so gentle. There we go. Let's get these planted up. 1, 2 with roots. Tip: water is a great aid in getting substrate out of the roots without breaking the roots. But look at that nice root ball. There we go. And all the others, they don't have roots, right? No. Now I said pot them up individually, but I might actually just take some of this old substrate with a bit of the bark, mix it up a little bit, and use this to plant them up both in this same original pot, so I can put the baggie around it again for the next couple of weeks, aiding in, so that way the air stays humid, and that's a little bit better for them to gently get adjusted to being outside, because that's where they're moving. These are now just going to be planted outside. Because it is so rare to get these to root well, I'm not going to do any root work. I'm just planting them up and slowly going to get them used to outside atmosphere, so that before winter they are settled enough and they can move inside in the house without any protection. But yeah, that's a success, right? Right, just short about aftercare. I have put it back into bag. I've put these successful cuttings back in the baggie. They now go into semi-shade. They get a little bit of morning sun, and over the next 2 weeks I will open up this baggie a little bit, let it ventilate, and slowly push it down. I'm going to completely open it up once it is a period of nice rainy weather, so they don't dry out all that much, and then after that they'll just have to deal with the weather. I'll start fertilizing once the baggie is open, and that's pretty much it. This was Jelle, growing bonsai, rooting Jabuticaba cuttings. Yes, it can be done.